Good morning, everybody. I am Mrs. Dina Hafiz, Province Language School. Today, our lesson for grade 5, which is called Properties of the Multiplication. The multiplications operation will be in the natural numbers. Do you remember natural numbers? Natural numbers is the set of numbers starting from 0 and its infinite set has no end. And we denoted it by n. N equal 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. If A and B and C are natural numbers, where A multiply B equals C, then C is called the product. So the result from the multiplication operation called product. Now we are going to talk about the properties of the multiplication. The first property called the closure property looks like the addition property. Okay, if A and B belong to n, then A multiply B belong to n, we can say that n is closed under the multiplication. Commutative property. If A and B belong to n, then A multiply B equal B multiply A. What is the meaning of commutative? As we know that commutative means change places. Therefore, addition is a commutative in n. Associative property. If A, B, C belong to n, then A multiply B multiply C equal A multiply B multiply C. As we see that we have groups here, and we know from the addition properties that groups means associative. So we can say that multiplication is associative in n. Identity element. If A belong to n, then A multiply 1 equal 1 multiply A equal A. Therefore, A is the multiplicative identity or the identity element for the multiplication in n. Multiplication by 0. If A belong to n, then A multiply 0 equal 1 multiply 0 equal 0. Therefore, any number multiply 0 equal 0. We have another property for multiplication here, more than the addition, which is called multiplication distributes over addition and subtraction. Next session, we will talk about this property in details. Note, if we have odd number multiply even number, the product must be even. Like 2 times 3, 2 is the even and 3 is odd, the product equals 6. Odd multiply odd, the result will be odd. So 3 multiply 3 equal 9. If we have even number multiply even number, the answer will be even. Like 2 multiply 2 equal 4. Okay? Now, let's go to our booklet. Open your booklet, page 16. First question is complete the correct answer. The product of two odd numbers. As we said before, if we multiply two odd numbers, like 3 times 3, the result must be odd. So the answer will be odd. Okay, letter B, the product of two even numbers. As we said before, if we multiply two even numbers, like 2 times 2, the answer must be even. Letter C, the product of the smallest prime number and any prime number. Who can tell me what is the smallest prime number? The smallest prime number here is 2, and by the way, it's the only even number in the prime numbers. Okay, if we multiply this smallest prime number, which is called 2, even by any prime number which is odd, it means even multiply odd, it will be even number. Okay, letter D, odd number multiply even, like 3 multiply 2, the result will be 6. 6 is even. Okay, now let's go to exercise number 3. The exercise says, use the multiplicative property to find the result of each of the following. As we know, if he said the word property, it means I have to see the steps. The answer without steps equal 0. Okay, how we can solve this problem? First step, look at the operations. All the operations in this exercise are multiply. Here, multiply and multiply. What is the meaning of that? We need to use the properties of multiplication. Okay, how we can use the properties of multiplication? We know the properties was commutative, associative, and closure. How we can change the places to make the commutative? Okay, open your copybook. To change the places, you have to know the couple friends. What are the couple friends? We know them from grade 4. If we have 2, her friend is 5. 2 multiply 5 is 10. If we have 4, her friend is 25. The result will be 100. If we have 8, her friend is 125. So the result will be 1000. Let's back to our exercise. Here we have 2 times 18 times 5. Do you have any friends here? Yes, I have 2 and 5 are friends. So I have to drag 2 beside 5. 2 multiply 5 multiply 18. Can I write the answer now? No, you have to state the name of the property. The property here is commutative because I changed the places. Second step is put each friend in a group. Open the bracket. Write 2 multiply 5. Close the bracket, multiply 8. When I put the brackets, it means associative. Then, I can find the answer now. The answer of the first bracket is 2 multiply 5, as I know it's 10. Then, put multiply 18. We forgot 1 here. Now, can I find the answer easily? I have 1 0, drop 0. 1 multiply 18, it's 18. 18 belongs to n. It's a closure property. Now, I solved my exercise. Let's go to another exercise. Okay, in the same page. Our exercise is letter D. Okay, by the way, you can solve all your exercise, and if you have any problem, you can send to me. Letter D. We have 5 multiply 8 multiply 2 multiply 125. First step, as we said, we have to look at the operations. All operations here are multiply. I have to make the commutative. How can I do it? Look or search for the couple friends. Here we have 5. Does 8 a friend of 5? No, its a friend is 2. So I have to drag 2 beside 5, then write the rest. 8 multiply 125. What I did now, it's commutative. Don't forget to state the name of the property. Now make groups. We have 5 multiply 2 between bracket. Don't forget to drop this sign, multiply. Open another bracket for the new friends. 8 multiply 125. The first bracket result will be 10 multiply 8 multiply 125, as we know, 1000. Can I use my calculator to find the answer? No need to use your calculator to find the answer because all of them are zeros. Count how many zeros here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have to drop 4 zeros and count them again to be sure. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 multiply 1, it's 1. So the answer will be 10,000. This number belongs to n, so it's closure. Okay,